Good morning all student. Today I am giving you the solution of last two questions homework. Just see it. I have given you this question as a homework in yesterday. Fx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 3 and g's of x equals to x square minus 2. Correct? And fourth question also I am given you as a homework. These two questions solution I am giving you, but I am giving you till this solution. You have to do this proof part. Okay? Now come to this. Just I see the solutions. Fx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. G's of x equals to x square minus 2. Okay, now just see. I have written the solution. Just match your solution with it. I think so I am believing that you have done it. Just match the solution. This is your second solution, and I am not done with the verification part. You have to do yourself. Now come to this fourth question. Just see. Again the question I have solved it. In this question there is very few terms are there. Example, after multiplying 3x square with this I am getting 3x cube. So in this equation I don't have, so I will write after the completing of part. Okay, same as you have to try, you will get your answer. Just try it. Okay, now come to the question number second. Come to this question number second. Divide second polynomial by first polynomial and test whether first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Just understand the terms. You can understand the question is saying that divide second polynomial. It means this second polynomial you have to divide with the first polynomial. In the sense this is your divisor. Sorry, this is your divisor. This is your dividend. So as it is you have to write like divisor and dividend. Just see how I am writing. (3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Correct? And your x square plus 3x plus 1. Correct? Now just see. As you know, first part I have 3x power 4. So here is first part x power 2. So what I will multiply with this to make it as a 3x power 4. Because I want to subtract any one part, so I am always go with the first. So I have to multiply 3. I am taking another pen to understand. 3 I have to multiply, correct or not? As well as here x power 4, here is x power 2. So I have to multiply x power 2. Just multiply. 3 ones are 3. X power 2 into x power 2, x power 4. Positive, positive, positive. 3 3s are 9. X square and x cube. Plus 3 ones are 3. X square, it means x. Correct? After that, again we have to do the same. Sign change, positive become negative, positive become negative, positive become negative. 3x cube, 3x power 4, 3x power 4 cancel. Here, minus 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 4, x cube, negative, negative, positive, 7 plus 3, 10, x square, plus 2x. Now again, 2x I have taken down. Now again, here is x cube. Here is x square. So I have to multiply x, correct or not? Yes. Here is positive, here is negative. So I have to multiply negative. So multiply one more thing. Here is 4, here is x. So I have to multiply with the 4x. Multiply 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus plus minus 4x into 3x. 4 3 is 12. 12x square plus minus minus 4x into 1, 4x. Again sign will change, positive become negative, become positive, negative become positive. Positive negative cancel. 10x square plus 12x square, it means 2x square. 2x plus 4x, 6x plus 2. Again x square, here is x square but here 2 I want, so plus 2 I will multiply. 2x square plus 3 2s are 6x. 2 ones are 2. Positive become negative, positive become negative, positive become negative. Now positive negative cancel, positive negative cancel, positive negative cancel. What remainder? 0. Now question is saying that one only you have to find the factors. Correct? Now just understand, if I am getting remainder as a 0, I can say that g's of x is a factor. Correct? But I have to prove, so I just see it by the algorithm theorem also I am proving. Just see, first I am writing here. First of all, I am writing that my remainder is 0. My quotient is 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, now just see by the algorithm I am explaining, is it correct or not? By division algorithm, what is our division algorithm? Again see, my divisor 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to quotient 3x square plus minus 4x plus 2 into divisor plus remainder is 0. I am getting remainder 0. Now solve it. 3x square multiply 3x square, 3x power 4 minus, plus negative positive 3 is 9x cube plus 3x square minus plus minus 4x cube, 4 3 is 12x square minus 4 1s are 4x plus 2x square, 2 3s are 6 x, 2 1s are 2 plus 0. Now just see, 3x power 4, 3x power 2. So anything is doing it? No. Just see how we can do it. Okay, we are getting same thing or not? Just see, 3x power 4, 9x. Why we are doing this much? We cannot do this much. We can leave this much only, and by looking this only we are getting 0. So we can say that my x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of g's of x equals f of x equals to 3x power 4, 5x power 3. By the adding you are getting same thing. That's why I'm not doing. Okay, is it clear? Understand? Now come to the next question number 2. Third one is I am giving you as a homework. Try it. Second I am solving. Second question. Just see. Again we have to do same thing. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So here t square minus 3. Just understand. Here is power 4, here is 2. So I have to 2 square, I have to multiply it. Here is 2, here is 1. So I have to multiply 2t. Now multiply 2 1s are 2. 2t plus square, it means 2t power 4. 2t multiply with this. 3 2s are 6t square. So where is it? Here is 6t square. Is it clear? Because here it is not there. So write down as nothing. Correct? Positive become negative. Negative become positive. Do it. Positive negative cancel. This one write down 3t cube. Here do it what? Plus what will come? 4t square. Now come to the next here. T square. And here is t cube. So I have to multiply plus t. Correct? And one more thing I have to multiply. Here is 3, here is 1. So I have to multiply 3. Correct? Now 3 1s are 3. T is cube. 3 3s are 9. T. Here is square. So I have to take another number as down and just check. I am getting that one only. Positive, negative, negative. 3 3s are 9. T. Is it clear? Correct or not? Yes. Now positive become negative. Negative become positive. Cancel these two terms. This also cancel. What remain? 4t square. Now what is remaining here? Minus 12. Now do it. T square, t square. So I have to multiply 4. 4t square. So 4t square. Positive, negative, negative. 4 3s are 12. Positive become negative. Negative become positive. cancel. What remainder? 0. Again the same process I will not do again and again. Again I can say that g's of t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So this question I am giving you as a homework. Try it. You will get your answer correctly. Now come to the, or if you want the solution again, I am doing it. Just understand. I am giving you next the by division algorithm. Okay, what is algorithm? I am not writing again completely, just I am writing, just understand. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so I think now you can do it, just multiply, you will get your answer. Now question number 3. Following are the polynomials with their zeros. Find all the other zeros. First of all, they have given the zeros like this and you have to find the answer. Just understand, first of all, this is your zeros, and zeros you will write always what? X, this is positive, so positive root 2, and one more is x negative 2. Correct or not? These are the zeros of polynomial of this. Now understand, if I will see this is my one identity, a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Correct or not? I have this, so I can write what? X square minus root 2 square. As you know, root 2 and root this cancel, what remain? This and this cancel, what remain? X minus 2. X square minus 2. So this is your divisor. This is your divisor. Again the question is same of last we have done so many question. What? This is your divisor and this is your dividend. I think so. Now you can do it, this question. So again this question I am giving you as a homework. I will give you the solution next day, but try it, because this much is new in this, remaining part is same. Thank you.